Here I've got SHARP Aquos S2 and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display, and now under wallpaper you will notice font size. Simply open it, and then by tapping on the scale you can change the font size. So as you can see, you can have a huge one. Let me show you how it will look like over here. Then you can go back and select the smallest one. So this is how it will look like, and obviously you can go back to the default one, to the default size whenever you want to. Just tap on font size one more time and go to default. So that would be all. This is how you can quickly change the font size on your device, on your SHARP Aquos S2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.